Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Global Alert TV channel. Please subscribe and like my videos. Today's video is about one of the most shocking and daring military operations that has left the entire world in disbelief. The Ukrainian drone strike that targeted what is now being described as President Vladimir Putin's secret meeting location deep inside Russian territory. This unexpected and highly precise attack has not only exposed Russia's vulnerabilities but also revealed Ukraine's growing technological and strategic capabilities. The details surrounding this incident are still emerging, but what has been reported so far paints a dramatic picture of modern warfare, intelligence warfare, and a silent but escalating conflict that is rewriting military history. According to various international sources, the drone strike occurred late at night when the Russian security apparatus believed President Putin was engaged in a confidential meeting with senior defense and intelligence officials. The location of the meeting was said to be one of the most secure and undisclosed sites in western Russia, fortified with advanced air defense systems, encrypted communications, and multiple layers of security clearance. Yet somehow, Ukrainian intelligence managed to pinpoint the exact coordinates of the meeting, deploy a swarm of drones from hundreds of kilometers away, and strike with stunning precision. The explosion, visible from miles away, reportedly caused panic among Russian military officials who realized that even the most secretive gathering was no longer immune to Ukrainian reach. From the exterior point of view, this operation demonstrated the sophistication of Ukraine's drone warfare system. The drones used in this mission were believed to be a new generation of long-range unmanned aerial vehicles capable of flying at low altitudes to evade radar detection. Their exterior design is sleek, compact, and almost ghost-like, using composite materials that absorb radar signals. The paint coating of these drones is said to have anti-detection technology, and their wing structure is designed for silent flight, making them nearly impossible to hear until they are right overhead. Ukrainian engineers have reportedly modified commercial drone bodies with military-grade sensors, infrared cameras, and high-precision navigation systems, turning them into lethal yet cost-effective weapons. The aerodynamic performance of these drones allows them to glide smoothly even in turbulent air conditions, maintaining altitude and direction with minimal deviation. Moving toward the interior, which plays a major role in the success of these strikes, Ukraine's innovation becomes truly remarkable. Inside the drone lies a network of interconnected systems, an intelligent guidance module, encrypted GPS receivers, and microprocessors that communicate in real time with the control station through satellite relays. The interior compartment of each drone houses an explosive payload specifically designed for deep penetration impact. The targeting mechanism uses advanced AI algorithms capable of recognizing structures, identifying key points such as antennas or communication nodes, and locking onto them autonomously. Engineers have integrated temperature regulation systems to prevent internal overheating, ensuring stability even after hours of continuous flight. The fuel system is highly efficient, using a hybrid energy model that combines lightweight batteries and miniature fuel cells. This allows the drones to travel long distances without requiring mid-flight refueling. Ukrainian developers also installed redundant safety circuits. If one navigation channel is jammed, another automatically activates. The interior is not just mechanical, it's intelligent. Every component works like part of a digital brain, making these drones some of the most advanced unmanned systems used in modern conflict. In terms of performance, the results speak louder than words. The drones managed to infiltrate Russian airspace undetected, travel hundreds of kilometers, and strike within a few meters of the target's exact coordinates. That level of accuracy demonstrates not only technological capability but also precise intelligence coordination between Ukrainian special forces and external data sources. Many experts believe that Ukraine's drone operations are now combining human and artificial intelligence in a synchronized way that allows for near real-time adjustments. The drones are equipped with adaptive control systems, meaning they can alter their route automatically if they detect radar activity or weather changes. Their flight endurance reportedly exceeds 8 hours, and they can maintain speeds up to 150 km per hour without compromising stability. The performance metrics put Ukraine's drone fleet on par with some of the most sophisticated Western defense drones, even though their cost and production time are far lower. This balance of affordability and power gives Ukraine an edge in sustained conflict. When we look at safety features, it's surprising how much thought has been put into ensuring that even in warfare, these machines operate under controlled risk. For instance, if communication between the drone and the control center is lost, the drone can switch to self-destruct mode or return to its base automatically. The self-destruct feature ensures that sensitive technology never falls into enemy hands. The system also includes encrypted communications that constantly change frequency, making it extremely difficult for Russian jammers to intercept or hijack control signals. Moreover, each drone uses terrain-following radar, allowing it to fly low over landscapes while avoiding obstacles. This not only keeps the drone hidden but also reduces the risk of collision or premature detection. Ukrainian defense officials claim that their new generation drones can even detect electronic interference attempts and adapt in real time by rerouting through less monitored air corridors. These safety mechanisms, combined with advanced software oversight, make Ukrainian drones not only lethal but also highly reliable. The unique selling points of this strike go far beyond the destruction caused. It represents psychological warfare at its finest. By targeting a meeting that was supposed to be completely secret, Ukraine sent a message: there are no safe zones anymore, not even for top Russian officials. The strike shattered the illusion of Russian invulnerability and showed that Ukrainian intelligence and technology have evolved beyond expectation. Another unique element is the integration of locally manufactured components with global open-source technologies. Ukraine has turned consumer-grade drones into battlefield assets, combining domestic innovation with resourcefulness. This hybrid model allows rapid production and constant adaptation. Each strike becomes a test, and each test feeds data into the next generation of designs. Additionally, Ukraine's ability to carry out simultaneous attacks using drone swarms, where multiple drones communicate and coordinate autonomously, represents a revolutionary approach to warfare. Instead of relying on a few large weapons, Ukraine now depends on many small, intelligent ones working together in perfect harmony. As for the price factor, this is perhaps where Ukraine's advantage becomes most apparent. Traditional airstrikes involving jets or missiles can cost millions of dollars per operation, while a swarm of high-tech drones costs only a fraction of that amount. Ukrainian defense engineers have mastered the art of low-cost warfare with high-impact results. Each drone reportedly costs between $20,000 and $100,000, depending on configuration, still dramatically cheaper than a single Russian missile defense battery. This economic efficiency allows Ukraine to maintain pressure on Russian targets without exhausting financial or military resources. The affordability also means that losses are sustainable. If a drone is shot down, another can be produced and launched within days. This strategy of quantity backed by intelligence has transformed the war landscape into a game of endurance that Russia cannot easily win. Now, as we reach the conclusion, the implications of this event stretch far beyond a single strike. The drone attack on Putin's secret meeting location symbolizes a new era of conflict where distance, secrecy, and conventional defense systems no longer guarantee safety. It demonstrates that technology, innovation, and intelligence can outweigh raw military strength. Ukraine has shown the world that courage combined with creativity can challenge even the mightiest powers. The global community is now watching closely, not just to see how Russia responds, but to understand how warfare itself is evolving. The strike also raises ethical and geopolitical questions. How far can drone warfare go before it escalates into direct confrontation? What does this mean for nations relying on secrecy as their defense? These are questions that military analysts and world leaders will continue to debate for months to come. In the end, this Ukrainian drone strike will be remembered not only as a tactical success but also as a defining moment in modern warfare. It showed that technology is not just a tool but a weapon of strategy and precision. It blurred the lines between the battlefield and the boardroom, between the front lines and secret meetings. Whether one views it as a bold act of defense or a dangerous escalation, one thing is certain: the future of war has changed forever. Thank you for watching this detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Alert TV and like this video for more in-depth coverage and updates on the world's most critical events. Stay tuned, stay alert, and stay informed.